New episodes airs on alternate Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Singapore time. But it never came. You check the status update again and to your horror you see this status: on hold, pending GST Duty Control Authority approval. So what do? I encourage you not to support illegal trade of body parts from endangered species. If the length of the crisp blade is 40 centimeters or more, you will be requested to submit an application for a permit. If you are keen to see yourself start, grow and scale your crisp collection, then this episode is definitely for you. This is Kerry Johari, better known as Pak Jofei, the crisp collector from Singapore, snapping out. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.